Hi guys, welcome to the Simplify LLC channel. In this video, we will talk about how much an LLC costs in Texas. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified when a new video appears. Let's dive right in. So you're either starting a new business or currently running a growing business, and you're wondering how much it costs to form an LLC in Texas. We have the answers you need. Incorporating your company is a legal procedure, and as with most legal procedures, there is a fee attached. The simple answer to the cost to form an LLC in Texas is $300 for a domestic business. But the fees can be higher thanks to other expenses like certified copies of documents, registering trade names, and other things your company may require. For example, this particular business starts with the Articles of Formation for $300 or $750, the registered agent service for $150, certified copies as needed for roughly $30, trade name registration for $25, name reservation for $40, expedited processing for $25, and $20 for specific licenses and permits that are needed. Your business may not require all of these fees, so we will break down the fees involved with filing an LLC in Texas. We'll start with the most significant cost, the Texas LLC Formation Fee. In Texas, the Secretary of State charges $300 for filing the Certificate of Formation, Form 205 for domestic LLCs. If a foreign LLC needs to be registered, the fee is $750 for filing Form 304. The Secretary of State can take up to 5 weeks to review an application, so if you need expedited services, you'll pay the $25 per document. To file your Certificate of Formation, you may do so in person, by mail, fax, or online. When filing online, you will be paying $5 for convenience. To complete your filing, you will also need to appoint your registered agent, create an LLC operating agreement, and register to pay Texas state taxes. The cost to appoint a professional registered agent service ranges from $80 to $125. The registered agent will be responsible for receiving service of processed documents for your company. But you don't have to hire a service. You can appoint yourself, an employee, your business partner, or someone else you trust to receive important documents for your business. If you choose to do this, there are no other fees due to the state. This is already included in your LLC formation fee. If you should need to change the registered agent you have on file, you will need to file a form and pay $15. If you want to use an assumed name like a DBA, you must register a trade name. You'll do this with Form 503, which must be submitted to the Secretary of State and your local county clerk. The fee for filing a registered trade name is $25. Next is the LLC name registration fee of $40. When you reserve your name, it is held for your use for up to 120 days. If you need it longer, you will have to pay and file again. You will only need to do this if you are still getting your documentation together to form your LLC. Another cost to consider is the fee to get certified copies of your formation documents. The typical rate is $1 per page and $15 per certificate, but some documents may cost more. Your business may require specific permits or licenses to operate in Texas. Accounting services, wineries, and legal services are some examples. The cost of these permits will vary. If your business has to collect and remit sales tax in Texas, you must apply for the free sales tax permit with your local comptroller. While Texas doesn't have an annual LLC fee, if you have a change in structure, you will have to pay to make those changes. But you must file an annual public information report to the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts. As an LLC, you don't have to pay a business income tax, but you will have to file annual franchise tax reports and pay franchises taxes. Most LLCs won't pay franchise tax as they fall below the annual taxing threshold of $1,180,000. Revenue is no longer tax-free after that amount. Companies that earn more than this amount will pay franchise taxes at a tax rate ranging from 0.331% to 0.75%. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business formation and starting your business in Texas, visit our website at SimplifyLLC.com. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to write in comments if you have any further questions, and we will see you next time.